Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amrendra Mishra. I am continuing with the measurement of pressure of liquid by using manometers and mechanical gauges. Here in this video, I am going to explain about the Bourdontube pressure gauge. All of you know that what do you mean by pressure gauge? Gauge means that is a measuring instrument which gives us the value of pressure of fluid. As the name indicates that Bourdontube pressure gauge, hence this type of pressure gauge consists of a tube that is named after Bourdon. The Bourdontube pressure gauge consists of a circular spring tube called Bourdontube. Generally, the material for this Bourdontube is bronze and it is the alloy of phosphorus bronze. One end of Bourdontube is closed and connected to the link and the other end is secured in a vertical tube. Let's go for the diagram. On the figure we are having a pressure inlet. The pressure inlet is nothing but that is attached with the valve where we are going to measure the pressure of fluid. There is a small tube that is made such that the high velocity of air at pressure enters into the tube. The C-shaped tube is known as your Bourdontube. The Bourdontube, one end is connected to the pressure inlet, another end is connected to a link. The link is attached with a sector gear. The sector gear meshed with the pinion gear. The pointer attached with the pinion. The pointer moves on the dial to measure the pressure in terms of unit. The dial is graduated with a unit. It may be Newton per centimeter square or kgf per centimeter square. On the side figure, we have seen that there is a pressure gauge, Bourdontube type, where there is a expansion of the C-shaped Bourdon tube is taking place. Due to that expansion and contraction of the C section, there is a rise of liquid pressure or there is a fall of liquid pressure takes place. Now go for working principle. We have a pressure gauge. It is used to measure the pressure. You have to go for the vessel where you are going to attach the pressure gauge. Due to the pressure of fluid, the Bourdontube has tendency to assume the circular section. Before the tube can do so, it must straighten itself. The tendency of straightening moves the free end of the Bourdontube outward. As a result, the toothed gear sector moves into hinges and causes the pinion to rotate. In turn, moves the pointer on the dial jet graduated in the bar. The movement of the free end of the Bourdontube is proportional to the difference of atmospheric pressure and the internal fluid pressure. Hence, records the pressure which is difference between fluid pressure and outside atmospheric pressure. As shown in the figure, we are having a video or animation related to Bourdontube where this C section is expanded and contracted. So while the pressure of fluid entering inside the Bourdontube, now the Bourdontube straightens, and due to the straightening of Bourdontube, that causes the sector gear to move, and the sector gear meshed with the pinion gear. In turn, the movement or rotation of the pinion gear takes place. The pinion gear is attached with the pointer, and the pointer now moves upon the graduated scale. This is the graduated dial. upon which we are going to see 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. That are the graduations. And this is in a unit pound per square inch. The unit is calculated as pound per square inch. So while the high pressure of liquid or fluid entering it the Bourdontube, there is a straightening or there is a expansion of the Bourdontube takes place, and thereby you are getting the pressure inside the dial. Though due to the movement of the pointer, we can find out that what is the value of pressure inside the dial. Basically, these pressure gauges are used in reciprocating air compressors, also used in water, used in measurement of pressure of gases and liquids also. So, thank you.